Hey guys, today I'm here with tutorial on how to back up WhatsApp data offline and restore it back to the device on Android. It's a simple method, but still I saw many of us don't know about it or struggle to transfer it to PC and vice versa. So let's get started. Here, the steps to backup is the same. Go to the three dots on the top right hand side, now select Settings. Go to Chats and on the bottom Chat Backup. Now choose an email ID, if not. Also make sure to turn on Include Videos because, even if you back up turning it off by the offline method, it also back up the already downloaded video files. Now the important settings to change here is the new off option under Automatic Backups, and we are ready to hit Backup. After waiting for few moments and completing backup process, it will mention the local backup time on the top as local. You should make sure that it is there, if not then the backup is not done properly, so redo the backup. So after this, now it's time to make the files easy to transfer. The reason why I say so is because transferring by the folder itself lowers the speed of transfer due to many files and subfolder resides within that single folder. So to do that, I'm using the WinRAR app from Play Store. After opening the app, locate the com.whatsapp folder inside Android/media folder. Now check the box near the folder and select Archive. Here in the Advanced section you can change the compression rate. Here I recommend to select Store without compression for faster process, but the file size will be same as real folder, or you can go for any above normal compression to reduce the file size and hit OK. After completing, now the backup is ready to be transferred to any new phone. You just need to install WinRAR over the phone and extract the file over to the Android/media folder. After that, install WhatsApp and log in with the same number that we took the backup. Allow all the permissions and you'll get the prompt for restore your chats with saying no data needs to be downloaded. Then hit restore. So that's it. Hope it helped you in some way. Leave all your doubts and suggestions in the comment section down below and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.